Assalamu alaikum friends. I hope that you are fine. Let we discuss characteristics of voices. Are voices living or non-living? Biologists consider voices to be non-living because our nerve cells do not grow or respond to their surroundings, cannot make food, take in food or produce wastes. Voices do not respond to stimuli. They can only multiply if it another living cell. Discovery of viruses. Beginning 1897, coined the Latin name viruses, mean poisons. Tobacco-mosaic viruses. Wendell Stanley, 1935, discovered viruses were made of nucleic acid and protein. Smallpox. Edward Jenner, 1796, developed a smallpox vaccine using milder cowpox viruses. Smallpox has been eradicated in the world today. Let we discuss characteristics of virus. Non-living structures, non-cellular, contain a protein code called the capsid, have a nucleic acid core containing DNA or RNA, one or the other, not both, capable of reproducing only when inside a host cell. Let we discuss diagrams. Some viruses are enclosed in an protective envelope. Some viruses may have spikes to help attack to the host cell. Most viruses infect only specific host cell. You see capsids, envelope, spikes, influenza virus, crediniad. Let you see these pics. Viruses cause many common illness disease. Some viruses may cause some cancer like leukemia, measles. What do viruses look like? Viruses are unusual and different from other things in nature. Viruses come in a variety of shapes. Some may be helical shaped like the Ebola virus. Some may be polyhedral shapes like the influenza virus. Others have more complex shapes like bacteriophages. Types of virus: helical viruses, polyhedral viruses. Let's use the diagrams. Capsomers, nucleic acid capsids. A polyhedral virus. Complex virus. Capsid head, sheet DNA, tail fiber, pin, bisplate. ATV, even bacteriophage. Let you see the diagram of bacteriophage. This is very important diagram. Herpes virus, adenovirus, influenza virus, chickenpox virus, poliomavirus virus. How specifically all kingdoms can be infected by viruses. Viruses are things specific, but they may or may not be specific. Spread is specific to the type of viruses. But parasitism, virus or parasitism. A parasitism is an organism that depends upon another living organism for its existence in such a way that it harms that organism. Let you see bacteriophages. Absorption. This is the diagram of bacteriophages. Let you see. Bacteriophages cycles. Lysogenic cycle. Viral DNA may stay inactive in host for long periods, long lasting. Example: mono or chickenpox. Lytic cycle short and can be overcome. Example: flu virus. Vaccine is a weakened form of the virus to expose your immune system to the virus, which allow your body to better fight off the virus when exposed to the full blow virus. Vector control. This is controlling the vector that can carrying the virus. Example: we stay home when sick. Cover our mouth when we cough. etc. Extra. Cough. Extra. We control the mosquito population in order to control the West Nile. On drug treatment, specific to certain viruses, they don't cure the virus, but they can slow down and inhibit the multiplication of the viruses. And the last topic is reduction of risk. They cannot the treatment, but they can be prevented. Cover mouth when you sneeze or cough. Wash hand frequency. Avoid contact with the body fluids. Not foolproof, but reduction of risks. The lecture is end. Okay. Khuda Hafiz. Goodbye, my old friends.